Are you tired of knee pain, of energy, and weakness? Imagine if just one simple ingredient could change your life. That ingredient is tragacanth gum. To use it, soak a small piece of tragacanth gum in a cup of water, cover it, and refrigerate it for a day. After 12 hours, it transforms into a gel-like substance with no flavor or smell. This gel can be stored in the fridge for a week. Here's how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, add 1 tablespoon of the tragacanth gum gel and 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds to a glass. Mix in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or jaggery and stir well. Drink this mixture 15 minutes before breakfast. Both men and women can benefit from this remedy, especially those experiencing hair loss, heat, tiredness, and weakness. Try it for a few days and share your results in the comments. If your mother has these issues, start this remedy today. This simple yet powerful solution is gaining popularity. I used it for my mother and saw amazing results. How did you like today's video? Let me know. Stay happy, stay blessed, and take good care of yourself and your family.